guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we are shooting a grocery haul because that has been one of the top most requested videos. So here we go. Let's see what we buy at the grocery. All right guys, so you will see that I made a list, and I am a list person, but sometimes there's things that you need that you don't know you need, right? Like everybody knows what I'm talking about. So some things you're gonna see, they're not on my list, and that's okay. I am not a person that looks at the grocery pamphlet or flyer before I go, so I really don't know what their sales are that week. And so sometimes you find a really good deal, and that's awesome, and we're excited for that. So let me show you. This is kind of a hodgepodge. I have some things already at the house that I knew I had, like chicken for a recipe that I want to make with my peach barbecue whiskey chicken. But I needed peaches and barbecue sauce. So things like that, I just had to fill in. So I'm gonna go through and show you, and I want you guys to comment down below and let me know, what are you a brand person? Like, do you stay on brand or do you shop off brand? Is that important? First things up, I've never tried these before, but they are chicken and roasted garlic ravioli. You could buy the jar sauce, but I'm gonna make a homemade Alfredo sauce. It's awesome. I will have the Asa link that video right here because it's my pasta, my Alfredo. I'm gonna use that same sauce for that. We have half and half. Asa uses that for his creamer. We are a 2% milk family. Feta cheese, I put this on almost every salad. Parmesan and basil dip. You can't have enough cheeses, right? So these are BOGO this week at Publix. So I got some mozzarella, Parmesan, sharp cheddar. They're awesome. Sharp cheddar versus mild cheddar, guys. Always go with sharp cheddar. It gives you more flavor and you have to use less. Okay? So always go with sharp cheddar. We have a bag of russet potatoes. These are a great little snack. A lot of times Asa and I won't eat lunch or won't eat like dinner or something. So we'll grab like a mozzarella cheese stick and like lunch meat and just roll it up and it's good to go. Fruit, you have to have fruit. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries are on sale this week. We have some mozzarella pearls. Those are fun to put in everything. You could actually get your Kraft macaroni and cheese, put these in there, and then it's gourmet. Gourmet mac and cheese. I had Summer pick out a couple of blueberry muffin and chocolate chip muffin. We're gonna make these in our brownie pan that we just got from Pampered Chef because that's one of our favorite items now. Have to have Nature Valley bars here. Abigail probably eats 2 or 3 a day, and they are BOGO this week at Publix. We also have to have yogurt. So Abigail takes one of these in her lunch almost every single day, and then if she's trying to get into the fridge by herself, this is her go-to. So we always have yogurt available. If you guys have not tried these chips, you are missing out in life. Toasted chips, the veggie ones, okay? And they go great with all of these dips that we got. Croutons. We have pasta. I always like to keep pasta in my pantry. I don't necessarily have a recipe that I'm expecting to make, but if you need a side dish, something like that, that's a good thing to do. Next up was a surprise to me, but they had pork loin back ribs, baby back ribs. They were BOGO, so we got 2 packages of those. It's a holiday weekend, so we might as well get ready to do some grilling or throw them in the oven. I also have a recipe for that. Ground beef. Ground beef can be used in so many things that are so easy. It's quick. You could do tacos, you could do nachos, you could do spaghetti, anything you need ground beef for. So go ahead and get your ground beef and have it in your pantry or in your refrigerator. Romaine. I love to make salads, and I like to use the fresh romaine hearts. I typically, we can get 3 salads out of this. I cut 1 up for each salad. So, and then I put all the other goodies in there. Eggs. Gotta have eggs, another staple, right? So if you're baking, if you want a burrito, if you want a quick breakfast or lunch, you could do eggs. Always have to have them. Tonight we are gonna have the ravioli, so I got some garlic knots to go with it. We gotta go back and forth with garlic knots and garlic bread. It's just preference. You know our family. If you don't, We are a Cinnamon Toast Crunch family. This Abigail lives off of this. We also, it's BOGO and Lucky Charms. Plus, we get to scan the receipt for box tops for Abigail's school. If you don't know, box tops stop doing where you cut them off now, and you have to scan the receipt. So I still get to save those box tops, and her school gets free money. Win-win. Cilantro. So we are making some salsa this week. I actually bought mason jars so I can can it. So I needed fresh cilantro. Yellow onions, I always have those in my fridge. Some roasted tomatoes. Baked beans, one of Abigail's favorite foods, and again, they're on sale, as well as the barbecue sauce that I need for the chicken and the pork ribs. Then we have our fresh produce. We have cucumber, because I love cucumber, tomatoes, green onion, Roma tomatoes, because I like these for my salad. These tomatoes are for my salsa. Some limes and lemons, which I have both trees outside. I'm waiting for them to make their magic happen. They haven't done it yet, but I'm waiting. And then we always have ranch seasoning packets because they are great for a lot of recipes. I know if you're overseas, you cannot get those, and I'm so sorry. We need to get those for you. We also have the garlic and herb Italian seasoning dressing. I typically like the Good Seasons Italian one, but this is what they have right now, so we're better than nothing. Some peaches for our chicken recipe, and then last but not least, I am going to make Summer some chicken and rice because her mom makes this all the time, and I want to make sure that I can give her that. Oh, I almost forgot, bread. We love to get a fresh loaf of bread from the bakery. This week we got the original recipe home style white bread. So that's what we got from the grocery store. This will probably last us about a week and a half. So next time I go, I will let you guys know. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.